Hello everyone, welcome back to Shilpa's Home 360, and in today's video I'm going to share with you all this long salwar suit which I got it for my cousin's mehendi function, and I'm really looking for some colorful outfit. Usually for mehendis we'll wear like some bright colors in here, but at the same time I don't want to spend a lot of money for that outfit, so I've spent 1900 rupees and I got this from Hyderabad. I'm really happy with the purchase because the work, the design that they have given is really excellent. And also if you notice, this is the main part that I liked. The long kurti is all with this design like salwar suit, and the material is very good. And even if you notice, they have given this lining. It's like a very comfortable lining that they have given, and I thought the money that I've spent is really a good steal for the dress that I've got here. Very colorfully looking dress, and the mix and match of this with that they have given the body part as one color, and all this knee length and all, we got this different style. It's really elegant and beautiful dress, and some subscribers let me know what you all think. So this is the combination, and also the other unique part for this dress, they have given this design like a belt design kind of thing, which is unique, and I really love the way that they have designed this. And now let's move on to the hands part here. This is the only part that I regret. They could have given some design to it, but they didn't give any design. Otherwise it could have looked more expensive than what I have spent. And moving on to the dupattas here, this is the first dupatta they have given. I really like the net design dupattas, and the reason is it really looks very elegant, especially red and cream goes very well. I even mentioned in my previous videos. So that's why red cream color combination really looks very elegant, and as you see here it matched very well, and having that small design on it is also very good. Now let's move on to the second one. This is all that I'm talking about in my videos, like always try to mix and match, having mix and match and saving your previous dupattas or saris or blouses. It really can match with the existing dresses or new dresses. So that's my channel goal as well. As you notice here, the border is perfectly matching here, even though the dupatta is literally old, 6-7 years old, and the dress is new, but still I can mix and match. I'll just get that new look each time that I wear. That's my channel goal. Let me know what you all think about this dupatta that I've selected for my second one. Third one, I've already shared this dupatta in my previous videos. It looks more expensive than the first one that they have given, because within the dupatta we got this excellent design, especially with the booty that we got here, the gold jerry work that we got here. Even the work exactly matched to the dupatta that we got here, and they have given that orange color tone here, and we got this white and polka dots kind of thing for the dupatta. And I think subscribers and friends, I think this really a good match for this outfit. It goes very well, and it even matches to plain cream color outfits as well. So that's one of the reason I always save it. Now let's move on to the pendant or neck piece that I've selected. I always tell black beads is one of my favorite. It gives like very elegant and decent look, and it's really a simple one yet elegant. So that's why I selected this for this outfit. And if you wear long earrings with the combination would be awesome. So these are the long earrings. Terracotta is all-time favorite for me, and in Amazon they are still on sale, like for 400 or 500 rupees you get really good earrings like this. They have several combinations of these kind of earrings. Now let's move on to the second one. These ones I got it from Commercial Street, Bangalore. I spent 600 rupees, but I thought the material is very good, and it matched perfectly to the colors tones that I have on my black bead chain. So that's why I've selected. Now let's move on to the third one. Jhumkis. The main reason that I've selected this because of the dupatta that we have. The dupatta is red, and it matched that subtle color tone. It will give that simple and decent look. Now let's move on to the fourth ones. These are the studded earrings that I got for this one because it matched very well. Red and pearl color will always match very well. And now let's move on to the bangle set. As you all know, I always try to mix and match bangles with the different sets, and this is the matching that I'm doing for today. Now next one, I've selected this simple and elegant bracelet. It gives like, it goes very well with the jhumkis that I've selected. So this one is all like some metal kind of look design you get. And third one is like, this gold tone, because as you see, I've placed this on the dupatta so that you can easily tell why Shilpa selected this. The reason is it gives the traditional, elegant and awesome look here. And fourth one is just this white stone one. It's been with me for very long time, can match very well. It can go with western or the regular traditional wear outfits, especially I wear it mainly to my saris or Indian kurtis, and this one is really one of my favorites as well. Now moving on to the hairband, I have this. I'm just showing you all just to give you guys an idea of how to mix and match here. I always try to keep them good, and this one is matching very well with the dress that I have here, green and everything. So just to get an idea, I'm giving all these ideas. So that's all for today, friends. I hope you are enjoying these videos. If you do, please do like, share and subscribe so that I can make more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching Shilpa's Home 360. This is Shilpa signing off. Have a good one, everyone. Bye.